rose in the light across the moor. Long dark shadows touch the snow. Silent roads and empty fields. Only winter seems to know. Cold bright sun on stone and tree. And of a frost upon the air. Far below the sleeping towns, smoke hangs softly everywhere. Winter carries distant voices over valleys white and still. Ancient hills beneath the sky hold the memory of the years. Footsteps lost beneath the earth. Quiet beauty, cold and clear. Through the drifting winter haze, morning slowly turns to gold. Everything is standing still. Everything is growing unknown. Frozen light across the moorland. Silent earth beneath the snow. No tomorrow, no yesterday. Only winter light remains. Alone, down peeps slowly through the trees. Silver light on empty lanes. Morning sleeping on the hills. Nothing moves across the plains. Light shadows cross the valley, soft beneath the winter sky. Frozen rivers dark and still, clouds roll slowly overhead. Every road leads into silence, every path by memory led. Daylight glimmers pale and thin over moor and distant farm. Smoke rises into frozen skies, holding traces of their warmth. Hold the silence, hold the light, till the fading of the day. Silent roads beneath the frost, old stone walls and distant farms. Smoke rising through frozen air, holding traces now gone, gone. Cold bright sky above the valley, snow asleep